Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to download and install tyFlow in 3ds Max. So in Google or any other internet source, just type download tyFlow and go in the first website, download tyFlow beta. Just click it. This is the window it will show. Just accept the license that I accept the tyFlow EUAVA last updated to May 2, 2019, and then you have options below. So my 3ds Max is the latest version, which is 3ds Max 2021, which is a student version, so we don't have this 2021 option. I'll just download May 29, which is the latest, and then it will start downloading here. You can see this because I already have one downloaded here, so I'll just cancel it. And in my download section you can see there are many files. It varies according to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, whichever version you have. So I have 2021, so I'll put the latest version of tyFlow, which is 2020. I have extracted the file here. I'll just copy 2020 and then go into this PC, disk C. In program files, I'll just go to Autodesk. Here I have the student version folder for 3ds Max. So over here I'll just search for a plugin folder, or here it is, and I'll just paste it. Now I already have one, so I won't paste it. So I already have installed my tyFlow 2020 in 3ds Max 21. So in my 3ds Max you can see the tyFlow here in the right hand side corner in object type. I've clicked the tyFlow now, and I'll just click on the viewport. So this is how it will show. If this shows up in your viewport, then it's already installed. So we have successfully installed tyFlow in our 3ds Max. That's it. Hope you like this video, and yeah, see you in my next tutorial.